Hi, Dennis. I wanted to come up with a little show of the reason why Vinegartech is far superior to just using plain vinegar, a DIY mixing vinegar with water, spraying it as a cleaner. Vinegar doesn't do anything to oil or grease, the two of the hardest substances to remove. They create streaks, whether it be cooking grease in the kitchen, whether it be fingerprints on glass, whether it be road grease, road grime on a windscreen. There's a reason why Vinegartech was invented. Vinegartech it's vinegar, but it's far more than just vinegar. Now, I was thinking, how do I prove this to you? Okay, how do you prove to somebody that your product is better than what's been used for 100 years? I have here equal parts of olive oil, fairly good grade of olive oil. Okay, now if I take regular vinegar and I add vinegar to the olive oil, the oil is merely going to do nothing but float on top. That's what it does. Floats on top, because it will not dissolve any kind of oil or grease. But I'm going to take some of the Vinegartech into equal amount of Vinegartech in. Equal amounts. And now there's the vinegar and the oil, and watch what happens. All it does is separate. Break the particles up into little pieces, but it just separates. Now, Vinegartech, no separation. Doesn't separate. It won't separate because it's dissolved the oil. It won't separate. Here, look at it. Hang on. And it just separates out. Vinegartech does not. Now, oils are one thing, but the power of Vinegartech is really what I want to show. This is some of the nastiest grease there is. It's marine corrosion control grease. Okay, I'll put it on that surface. You should be able to see that it's a nice greasy, grimy surface. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is take some vinegar, pure vinegar, okay? Not the DIY thing where they tell you take 50% of water and 50% vinegar. And here it is. You notice the water just stays clear. And I'm rubbing as hard as I can rub. And the water stays perfectly clear because it can't dissolve the grease. Can't do anything to it. Okay? And now, instead of a small grease schmutz mark, now I have a giant schmutz mark. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray Vinegartech on it. Right? Put roughly the same amount. And now, in very short order, you'll see what's happening. If you notice, the liquid is not clear anymore. Why? Because it's dissolving, literally dissolving the grease. That's what it's literally doing. And in a matter of a few seconds, there's a lot of grease there. There's a little bit more. And in a matter of a few seconds, what has it been? Not even 30 seconds. Okay? Now, this is marine control grease. Okay, this is corrosion resistant grease now. And you can see the liquid is not clear anymore, as all the grease is being dissolved. Okay? And it's all gone. And let's polish the surface up. it off. Now, squeaky clean. Now, there's one other thing I wanted to show you. How do I know that you believe me that this surface is clean? Take a piece of tape, clear tape. Place it on the surface. Push it down. Hear that? No grease. You hear that noise? That noise, this tape was stuck to that surface. If there was any grease on it, it would have just peeled right up. And that is why you don't use vinegar to clean grease and grime. Use Vinegartech. Now here's where the crowd goes nuts. Yay! So that I just wanted to show you is the reason why Vinegartech is far superior to the DIY approach to cleaning with just plain vinegar.